Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and get Roblox on your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. So if we're just on the home screen here, we want to go to where it says App Store. So it says Apps right here. Let's select this. Then on the top, let's go to the search icon. Select this right here. And then simply type in Roblox. So let's type in ROBLOX. And here's Roblox right here. Let's select this. And then we can easily get it. So let's install it onto our Fire HD 10 tablet. And I'm going to download it. And it's preparing the download right here. And I can see it. It may be a little bit larger file, so it might take a while for it to fully download. But once it's complete, it should show up under your applications, or it might be on the home screen here. If we scroll on down, it should be down here. Otherwise, it will be in our library. Then we have games right here. So we can go to show more to see it. And we can start playing it easily on our tablet. So if this quick video did indeed help you guys out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.